Hello guys, today I'm gonna install this stereo system in my 2014 Volkswagen Golf. So let's see. So this is what I bought from Taobao in China. So you can see this the system and this is the tools. So let's see how it works. So the first thing I think I need to take off my old system. So probably need to unplug everything and use the tools I got. Let's see. And then from the up right and move over a little bit over to the upright. So kind of like start from here, 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 this way. So let's see on here. So the next step probably to take this one off. So to do that, I got 4 keys. And so you can see over here. So I think this one, this one, this one, and this one. So we need to insert these 3 stuff over here. All right, there's 4. So I think this one, this one, this one, and this one. So we need to insert these 3 stuff over here. Okay. So 4 keys, 1, 2, 3, 4, and get insert. So just pull it out, and yes, you can see all the connectors over here. So right now I'm gonna take a picture, so make sure the right connector goes to the right position. Okay, so I took this off, these 2 off. So yeah, I think you need to see this trick over here. So you need to put this off in order to unplug the buttons. So same like this one. So see this one, this button. So you have these over here. So first is like this. If you want to unplug it, you need to, all right. Okay, I need to take out this. So see right now, everything is installed. So I turn on my car, and here we go. Yeah, this is my Bluetooth. You see right now the settings are in Chinese, so you can go to setup, language, you can choose English.